Every day, 8,000 Americans turn 65, and a growing number of them are considering pushing back the age for retirement. In fact, 18% of Americans earning more than $1 million a year plan not to retire at all. Here may be some of the advantages to delaying that gold watch. First, you may continue to enjoy your current lifestyle. 57% of retirees say their current income is less than 70% of their pre-retirement income. Second, you might live longer. One study found that retiring at age 70 instead of age 60 could add about a year to your life expectancy. Third, retirement may not be as fun as it sounds. When surveyed, 69% of retirees said that life after retirement was about the same or worse than life in the workforce. For many people, work isn't really work. They enjoy it and are actively involved in their businesses. So if you like your job, why stop doing it? As the number of people delaying retirement trends higher, it's important to ask, what is the right choice for you? The question may have an impact on your financial future. Let's talk about it.